Let's hang up laundry. Equipment: laundry, hangers, clothes rack, and tables. Setup: the aim of the game is for students to raise up their arms to hang up laundry. Teachers to divide students equally into two teams. Teachers to place equal number of laundry for both teams. Game starts when teacher sounds the horn or simply shouts, "Ready, go!" The first player will take a piece of laundry from the table. Player will bring the laundry and walk or wheel towards the clothes rack. Player will lift their arms to hang up laundry onto the clothes rack. Player will walk or wheel back and give high five to the next player in own team. The team to complete hanging up all the laundry first wins. Adaptations. Option 1. Provide floor markers to help students find their way to clothes rack. Option 2. Adapt game to focus only on hanging up the laundry onto clothes rack. The end.